Okay, yep, go straight, honey. I gotcha. Okay, keep your skis straight, honey. Ski straight. I'm gonna go around the corner. You little trickster. Okie dokie, good girl. Come on, Troy. Okay, Vanessa, go towards the green sign. There you go. Vanessa, hold on, honey. Can you stop for Daddy? Can you stop? Vanessa! Stop, honey. Good girl. Stop just like that. We'll wait for Troy. Good girl. Good stopping. Here comes Troy. Yay, Troy! How you doing, bud? Yeah, it is cold. That's why. Yeah.
My foot is cold.
It is? We're going back to the lodge now. Okay, ready, honey? Go ahead. Okay, go all the way to the side, honey. This is steep. Look at you go! Wow, you just cut me off! Okay, go straight. All the way. I'm gonna get you! Hi! Come on! Walkie walk! Coming? Come on, people. Want to push? Okay. Give it another push. Ready? Alrighty, Roo, Vanessa.
Oh, we have to go down that.
Yep. You can do it. No, don't follow Troy, honey. Okay, Vanessa, follow Daddy. Come over here. Okay, keep going. Go around Daddy. Good girl, honey. Okay, stop right here. Vanessa, stop, honey. Vanessa! Vanessa, stop! Vanessa, honey. Stop with Andrew. Stop with Andrew, okay, honey? Oh, really?